Hi everyone, welcome to product preview number 7 of our upcoming shows on HSN November the 6th. This is our last preview, can you believe that? And it's our last preview of what's going to be a very special final craft shows of the year for us. It's been an amazing year, and I have 3 brand new products to show you today, and of course we'll be giving these away on Monday, so this will be our last giveaway as well. So I hope you're getting excited because I have put together for November the 6th our pulley card making kit. Now, for those of you that love our things and participated last year in the live stream broadcast that HSN did at the 3rd annual Anna Griffin Create, my class was all about antique Victorian Valentines, and the kind which I dubbed a pulley card because they open, the Victorian ones open, and I'm going to show you like this. So they come like this, and they're folded forward, but then you open them like this, and they stand. So that is the modern interpretation of what a pulley card is, and so many of you have asked us for this year, and I wanted to perfect it, and so that I actually have done. And what that means is that as a paper engineering thing, in modern times, this little pulley thing was difficult, okay? So it was made a particular way, but this is the way in which we are going to create a set of stair steps to engage on the card. And there's adhesive, let me just show you, on the bottom. It's all diagrammed for you. So see, it says D and C. And then you can't take this off until you've actually threaded it through the card. So let me show you. So the cards are designed in such a way that A, B, and C are at the bottom, and you put all the letters on top of themselves, but you thread them through the back of the card, which, you know, doesn't this sound a little difficult? But it really isn't, because the little stair step glues straight down and creates all the structure that you need to create your own pulley card. And the embellishments are so beautiful. They're things that you know and love, and we've done all kinds of colors, and you're gonna make 20 of these very special cards with this kit. So you're getting that, like I said, the background card, which is already done for you. It has this wonderful little notch that you thread this through. The engineering is second to none, and it's going to be so simple for you to make something that is truly extraordinary and honors the past at the same time. Okay, I bet you like those. I know that was long, but bear with me. Okay, we have a new set of dies that are really fun. These were designed before we knew that the Impress would be on in October, and it requires a really great electronic cutting machine. And say hello to our all 4 corners die set. So it's a cut and emboss die set where you're getting sets of corner cuts that are, 1, very unique, 2, inspired by my antique Valentine collection. These take a bite out of the corner of any layer of paper to get this incredible decorative detail. So as you're working with these, now I'm just doing this on the 6x6 just to show you that you can take a bite out of any corner, but my favorite is the design that it makes on the 5x7. So this one's very regal, and then this one's very lacy, and then this one is very heartfelt. So you see what happens when you use them to create all kinds of fancy edges and decorative details. So as one crafter to another, I think these are something that you're going to love working with because of the versatility of the cuts and the way that you can actually work with them. So when you're thinking, okay, now how big is that, Anna? That's about a 3.5-3-inch die. And we have the right and the left. So we have the mirror image of the die. So you're getting 3 different looks, and that all 4 corners, that's really pretty. Don't you think? I think you like these. I like these. I think that they're you know, they're right up my alley for crafting. Last but not least, we have something that is coming back from, it was very popular last November, and that was our French fan dyes, just in time for the November crafting and all the things that you'll do up until Valentine's Day. This year, we have a lovely little version called the Mini French fan dyes, and they have the shadow layer for them. They have a beautiful little tassel with the frog and 3 separate little fans. Now they do fit on the Anna Griffin Mini, and they work beautifully on your Impress, and they're going to create the entire front of the card, the embellishment, because if you have the original set, you'll know that it's almost the whole size of the card. These are mini. They're half size. And I think they embellish beautifully. So maybe you want these. I think the big French fan dyes are still available as well. So it's all kinds of fandom. All right, I have all of this to give away to a lucky winner. And I really want to hear what you think about all these things. So comment here on the blog, and we'll draw a winner next time I see you. Bye for now.